Are you still struggling with clunky AI app builders that promise you everything but then deliver nothing? Well, Base44 just killed every AI app builder, and I'm about to show you exactly how. Because while everyone else is all copying and pasting between ChatGPT and their app builders, Base44 just changed the entire game. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly why Base44 has made every other AI app builder just completely obsolete. And we're talking about features that don't just compete with the competition, they just absolutely destroy it. But here's what nobody is talking about. It's not just about having more features. Base44 has solved the fundamental problems that every other platform still struggles with. I've tested dozens of AI app builders, and what you're about to see here will just completely change how you think about building applications. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through Base44's core features. I'm gonna show you real demonstration. And so by the end of the video, you're gonna understand why this isn't just another tool. It's the tool that destroys all the others. And if you want to go ahead and check out Base44, I did add a special link in the description down below, so you can go ahead and try it out for yourself. Now, if you want to, and I really think you should, master Base44 and learn how to build profitable SaaS apps, websites, and mobile apps, of course, with AI, I've created a complete masterclass that shows you exactly how to do it all step by step. And this masterclass normally costs $299 to join, but since you are watching this video and I'm thankful for you, you can go ahead and join completely free. Just check out that link in the description down below to get free access to my Base44 masterclass and really just start building your AI-powered business today. All right, so instead of just talking about what Base44 can do, let's just actually put it to the test in a way that makes sense. A lot of tools claim that they can build anything, but the real question is how far that actually goes. So in this challenge, we're not just building one type of project, we're going across completely different categories here. We're going to create a simple static website and then move into a much more complex CMS-style productivity app. And finally, we'll push it even further by building a full 2D game. And the goal here is simple. See if Base44 can consistently deliver across different levels of complexity using the exact same approach, just one prompt. Now, normally when you try something like this, you're gonna expect to spend some time tweaking your prompts and fixing errors or rebuilding parts that didn't quite work. But here, the idea is to rely on Base44's ability to interpret intent properly the first time and then actually deliver something usable right away. So let's start with the simplest case here, a portfolio website. Now, this is something almost everyone can relate to, whether it's for a photographer, a designer, or freelancer. Portfolio sites are usually straightforward, but they do still need to look clean and modern and professional. And for this, we're only using one prompt: create a portfolio website for a nature photographer. Give the website a modern look that aligned with nature and animals. And that's it. No extra instructions, no back and forth, just one clear request. And after running that request, Base44 generates a fully designed website in under 4 minutes. And it's not just a rough layout either. It's a polished, a modern portfolio that actually feels ready to be indeed published. The design matches the theme, the visuals look and feel intentional, and everything is just already structured in a way that makes sense for a real-world use case. Now, what makes this even more impressive is what happens behind the scenes. Because during the build process, there was a small error that came up. And normally this is where you'd have to step in and figure out what broke and fix it yourself. But Base44 handles that all automatically. It detects the issue, it corrects it, and then continues the build without you needing to do anything. You don't even have to think about debugging. And that is a small detail, but it changes the experience a lot, because instead of constantly babysitting the process, you can just actually focus, on the outcome. And it feels less like you're building something piece by piece and more like you're directing it and letting the system handle the complexity in the background. And now that we've seen how Base44 handles something simple, let's go ahead and move into something a little bit more complex, a full productivity app. And this time we're building a Kanban style application inspired by Trello, of course, task, which involves real-time updates, user collaboration, and proper data handling. And normally this would require setting up a back-end database, authentication, and then syncing everything all together. Again, we're only using one prompt here. Please create an advanced productivity application inspired by Trello. Create a real-time Kanban board with different user collaboration, complete with a calendar, task creator, and event scheduler. Ensure proper database setup and real-time functionality. Allow users to invite other users to their workspace, and make sure that all data is properly handled. So after running that, Base44 generates a fully working app. The Kanban board is functional, tasks can be created, and the calendar and scheduling features are already integrated. When testing it, you can go ahead and invite users into the workspace, and then everything updates in real time. Authentication is already set up, and the database is handled automatically without ever needing external tools. And the key thing here is being clear with the intent of the prompt. And once that's defined, Base44 handles the complexity all on its own. So finally, to push things even further, we tested something completely different here, a 2D platformer game. And this isn't just a typical app anymore, because games usually require more complex logic and animations and merchandise, which does make them much harder to build, especially with AI tools. But then again, we will follow the same approach and use just one prompt. Build a comprehensive 2D platformer game similar to Dead Cells. Create dynamic levels, complex yet polished gameplay, as well as unique enemies and bosses to fight. So after running that, Base44 generates a full game. There's a playable character, completed levels, different types of enemies, power-ups, and even a working combat system with a health bar and other mechanics. At this point, it's clear that Base44 isn't just limited to websites or productivity apps. It can handle completely different types of builds, including games, while still following the same one prompt workflow. But here's the thing, Base44, as you've seen, is incredibly powerful, but most people don't even know how to use it properly. They end up building basic apps that don't make money or websites that don't even convert. And that's exactly why I created my complete Base44 Masterclass. So inside this course, I'm going to show you step by step how to build profitable SaaS businesses, high converting websites, and mobile apps, all using AI with zero coding required. So this is what you're going to learn. You're going to learn how to build SaaS apps that solve real problems and generate recurring revenue. You're going to learn the exact prompts and the strategies that I use to create professional websites in minutes. You're going to learn how to clone successful apps and then add your own profitable twist. And it's my proven system for turning Base44 projects into actual income streams, because this is just not theory anymore. I'm going to walk you through real builds. I'm going to show you my exact process, and I'm going to give you those templates and those frameworks that have helped my students launch successful AI-powered businesses. So if you're serious about building something profitable with AI in 2026, you got to click that link in the description below to go ahead and join the Base44 Masterclass. Your future self will thank you for taking that action today instead of just watching another tutorial. All right, so now that we've seen what Base44 can actually build, let's go ahead and take a step back and look at what's happening behind all of this. And when you're building apps, this is usually the stage where things really start getting messy. You're dealing with authentication, setting up databases, connecting, of course, integrations, and managing different tools just to make everything work together. So instead of focusing on the actual app, you can just end up spending more time handling the setup behind it. And this is exactly where Base44 starts simplifying things. To show this properly, I'm using the second project here, the productivity app and Kanban board, and going through all the usual dashboard stuff where you can see everything from overview all the way to automations already built into one place. Now, one of the biggest advantages here is just native login and authentication. So every Base44 app can come with optional built-in authentication, which removes a lot of the usual setup work. Instead of having to build login systems separately or connect extra tools, just handle users properly, then that functionality is already available inside of the platform for them. Along with that, Base44 also includes a native database, and that means you don't need to connect an external database anymore or even spend time configuring backend services before your app can actually work. Everything is just already integrated from the very start, which removes the need for tools like, say, Supabase, Firebase, or custom backend setups. It just makes the process much simpler, especially for people who want to focus on building instead of wiring everything together manually. And Base44 also includes built-in analytics for the apps that we publish on the platform. So once our app is live, we can just go ahead and view useful information like total users and traffic and other important performance data directly inside of the system. And that is a major benefit because it gives you and me immediate feedback on how our app is doing without needing to rely on another separate analytics tool. So another feature here is also social content creation, because Base44 now lets users generate dedicated social media posts for different platforms directly inside the product. You can see here that posts are being created for Reddit, for LinkedIn, and for Instagram, which proves that the platform is not only focused on building apps, but also helps with content that supports promotion and distribution. Custom domains are also built in. You can either purchase a domain directly through Base44 or just connect an existing one you might already have to your current project. And that makes publishing more practical because you are not limited to a default project URL if you want your own app or website to look more professional. Base44 also supports a video range of native integrations. You can see here that there is a long list of supported integrations, including native AI support through Base44 itself. All right, so I'm going to show you the AI chatbot building process, and then we will add both an AI chatbot and Stripe integration directly through chat. And that's important here because it only means that extra functionality can be added quickly without leaving the platform or going through a long technical setup. So another useful feature is the security checking system. Base44 includes a security check that lets you review whether your application security setup is in good shape. If any issues are found, Base44 can fix them directly based on what it detects, which makes it easier to catch problems early instead of just finding out super late during testing or worse, publishing. And not only that, Base44 also has native AI agents that users can deploy for different use cases. And these can be used for automation and also as an easier way for users to interact with an application through an agent. Now, I'm not going to dive deeply here, but you can see the section here and the feature is there as part of the platform. So finally, Base44 supports direct code editing. So here, I'm going to add a comment directly into one of the scripts, and that gives more flexibility for developers who then want control while still keeping everything simple enough for beginners. After building everything and going through all of those features, the next step is really just getting your app out there. And publishing is usually where things start getting complicated. Setting up hosting, preparing different builds, and handling multiple platforms separately, especially after everything is already built and ready to go. So instead of going through all of that, Base44 just keeps everything streamlined in one place. So for example, for web publishing, you can directly launch your application using Base44's built-in infrastructure. There's really no need to connect external hosting services or configure anything separately. Once your app is ready, then you just simply publish it and then it's live on the internet for everyone to see. And for mobile, Base44 also handles App Store and Play Store publishing. It can wrap your web application into native iOS and Android builds, which then removes the need to rebuild your app separately for each platform. So before submitting, you can run the app guidelines checker to go ahead and make sure that everything meets Apple's and Google's requirements. This also helps catch issues early and keeps the submission process smoother. Another key feature here is code export. Because Base44 allows you to export your entire project at any time. You're not locked into the platform at all, and you have full control over your own files if you want to scale or move your app elsewhere later on. So instead of jumping between different tools or figuring out how separate workflows work, everything just follows a simple flow. Publish your app, run the checks, and get it ready for release without overcomplicating the process. So after going through the full build and the publishing process, the last thing to look at is price, because this is usually what determines whether something is actually practical to use long-term. And now Base44 offers a free tier that already includes core features like a database, authentication, and hosting. And that alone removes a lot of the usual upfront costs. For paid plans, pricing ranges from around $20 to $160 per month, depending on usage, with most users fitting into the $40 plan. And since everything is included in one platform, there's really no need to pay separately for additional services or stack multiple tools together. So when you compare this to hiring agencies or developers, the difference becomes a lot more clear. Building a similar app traditionally can cost thousands of dollars up front, depending on complexity. On top of that, you still have to manage hosting, backend infrastructure, and integrations all separately, which adds even more cost and complexity over time. But with Base44, you're essentially getting all of that same type of build and deployment capability for a low monthly cost without needing to handle all those extra layers. So if you really think about everything we just went through, it's not just about what was built, it's how consistent the process stayed the entire time. And whether it was a simple website, a full productivity app, or even a game, it never turned into something where you had to stop and then figure things out all on your own. And there wasn't a point where you suddenly needed to set something up separately or rely on another tool just to keep moving forward. Everything stayed in the same place, and it kept building on top of what was already there without breaking that flow. And that's the part that actually makes a difference here. It removes that usual gap between building something and making it fully work, and instead just keeps things moving without adding extra steps in between. All right, so that's it. You've seen what happens now when the process does not slow you down halfway through. You start with an idea, and instead of getting stuck somewhere in the middle, you actually reach something usable. And then from here, it's really just about what you decide to build next. And if you want to try Base44 yourself, again, that link's in the description down below. And if you actually want to go beyond testing and turn this into something real, well, check out my masterclass there too. I'll see you at the next one.